Hey everybody, this is Mark with Clean Cut Graphics. I'm going to show you how to remove a background using Photoshop to get an image ready for DTF printing. Just a quick heads up, adobe.com, search for Photoshop. It's 23 bucks a month. There is a free trial, so you can, I don't know how long it is, a week or so. There's another one for 60 bucks a month, or you can get all of their apps, and that's what we use. It's a great deal. I mean, if you use this stuff at all, it's uh, really a good deal. All right, so let's open up our Photoshop. All right, this is the 22. We probably need to update this, but this should be all right for what we're going to do. All right, we're going to bring in our file, our picture that we want to remove the background from. This is a PNG file. It's a mascot of some sort. Okay, this is it. Pretty quick. Go to help, Photoshop help, quick actions, remove background. That's literally it. If you have good artwork, this should remove the background no problem. Just like that. And now we're ready to well, we gotta size our image. So now the background is removed. Let's size it. We're gonna go to image size. All right, and we want it to fit on a full shirt, so probably 11 inches wide. We'll play with that. 11 inches wide. Resolution is still at 300 because it resampled. If we didn't resample it, that would be like 1,000 something because this thing was huge. Okay, so it's changing the size. It'll probably be small right here because we're still at 5%. That's all we're viewing. All right, so we're good there. We're going to go to File. We're going to go to Export, Export As. Okay, just make sure this looks good. Scale's 100%. And if you divide these by 300, you would get the size in inches. It's going to be 11 times 11. All right, none of that stuff. Convert to sRGB. I don't do that because we are going to print in CMYK. Okay, so we're going to export it. And we'll put completed work, just so we know which one it is. All right, so that's it. Now we're going to go pull that file up. Okay, this is not in Photoshop. This is just when I brought it up. Okay, the Revenge Mascot completed work that we did. Let me close this so it only shows this. All right. Okay, so this is the one we just completed, and all I did was open it into Windows here. And I'm gonna hit this File Info, and right here's your info that it's saved as 300 DPI. That's the important part for the resolution, so it's not grainy or any kind of jagged marks on it. And we're good to go. So we can send this to the printer and print it, put it on a shirt. We'll have it here in a few minutes. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.